So we're back in the kitchen with Chef Jennifer Anderson from Wild Fish Seafood and Grill, and we're making what I consider the best part of the low-fat muffin.
Absolutely.
And that's the streusel.
The streusel topping, and this is kind of the indulgent part where I think most people would see this and be like, you know, again, it's kind of steering away from that low fat, but, you know, we're making a really small amount of the topping for each one, and it just gives you that kind of bit of goodness that makes you feel like you're not eating low fat.
Sometimes it's just a little bit of decadence on an overly healthy thing that provides that gratification.
I agree, and that's why I love muffins that have a streusel topping, but I typically won't eat a muffin in the morning because they are so loaded with, you know, eggs, butter, all that kind of stuff that's going to make them really heavy. Yeah.
Give me a moment. Yes.
So we're going to make our streusel topping very, very simple. Some chopped slivered almonds.
Okay.
And, you know, while we talk about almonds and nuts in general and fattiness of them, but, you know, the almonds have really good health. That's one of those things that we get told all the time, you know, grab a handful of almonds during the day if you're hungry. So, you know, we have kind of a healthy part of that on the topping. We're only doing a tablespoon of brown sugar. So, again, not a lot going on in there. And then a 1/4 cup of flour.
I'm pretty sure you're going to hear my stomach growl in just about 30 seconds. I can feel it rumbling right now.
We just mix that together. A tablespoon of melted butter. So, again, not a lot of butter. There is some, but not a huge amount.
Do you use salted or unsalted? That's my question of the week.
I actually use unsalted. You know, in baking, you know, I make chocolate chip cookies that I actually use kosher salt in them. I like a little bit of that salty sweet, but that's my palate. Most people don't always expect that in their baked goods. So when I'm baking, I pretty much always use an unsalted batter.
Yeah, I asked somebody yesterday, Chef Laura from Celebrated Cuisine, and she was making, actually it might have been Monday, I don't remember, my week's blurring, but she made a pumpkin roll, and she used unsalted as well.
Yeah.
She said you can control the sodium, and it really doesn't alter the flavors.
Exactly.
So let me focus our viewers' attention onto this, if we could now.
Sure.
Because I walked up and I said, "Wow, how'd you get it to go into the pan and not be so runny?" Because it looked like it had risen. Well, this is Midway.
Midway. We sprayed the pan. You know, you can do baking cups or you can just spray it. I like to just do a simple pan spray over it and not waste the money on the little baking cups. Spooned it in there and I baked it for about 8 minutes.
Okay.
The reason I don't put the streusel on the top is just I don't want to burn the almonds because they're going to bake anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. So you don't want that burnt streusel topping on it. So you still want to have a little bit of moisture to the muffin so that the streusel topping will stick to it.
Okay.
But not so long that you're going to burn the almonds.
And you just kind of put a little dollop?
Yeah, you're just kind of sprinkling a little bit of a dollop on top. You know, you can go a little bit heavier if you want, but yeah. So the moisture is going to help that streusel topping stick to it. So we're just going to top each one, and you're going to have to tell me, do they taste low fat?
No, not at all. They're surprisingly sweet.
They're surprisingly sweet. I think that pumpkin helps. The cinnamon and the cloves for sure help in that sweet flavor.
These are great little gifts.
Yeah.
Recipe online.
You know, something great for the holidays coming up if you have a brunch with friends, you know, an easy low-fat thing to do.
Very easy. Jen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wild Fish Seafood Grill is located at the Scottsdale waterfront. That address is 7135 East Camelback Road, Orton, Scottsdale, and you can reach them at that phone number right there on your